Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about retention. How can you keep your membership engaged on your membership course? I'll be back in a few moments. We're coming back. We're going to be talking about a really important subject, retention. If you've got what I call the leaky bucket syndrome, you're really trying hard and you're being successful in getting new membership, you're doing your launches, you're building community, your lead magnets, all the things that you've got to do to try and attract new membership are working, but you've got a leaky bucket. They sign up for the course and they're leaving after a couple of weeks, after a month. Your retention levels are poor. You've got a real problem with your membership website. In this video, I'm going to give some tips about how to improve that situation, or even better, avoid it. So, number one, basically, what's your onboarding like? Most membership websites can improve their onboarding experience. But don't be too stressed about it, because it's never ending. You can never get the perfect onboarding experience. I don't care if you have somebody that you're talking to in a mastermind and they're in a different sector and they're saying, well, our onboarding experience is fantastic. You're deluding yourself. But on the other hand, I've seen that most membership websites, their onboarding process could be improved quite drastically. So you really want to look at that, because especially if you're having people sign up and they're bailing very early after they're signed up for one of your courses, that really should be alarm bells. Another thing, have you got a roadmap? What I mean by a roadmap, are you giving some guidance about when somebody's starting on the journey of their course with you, where should they be at a certain stage? Where should they be at the middle? And what is the clear end result that they will obtain at the end? The more you can put that roadmap language in the language of the typical student, the more the roadmap will be of relevance to the students that sign up for the course, and you'll find it an invaluable way of reducing people bailing out on your course retention. When you get to a certain stage and size, another thing which is regrettable but understandable is, are you really being that attentive on the existing student base that have signed up and given their money to you? Because, like any business, you should be concentrating on getting new members, but there's only so many hours in a day. So I think it's always best, if you get to a certain size and you can afford it, is to get somebody on board to help you administrate and ask the present students questions, be a kind of quasi-counsellor to the existing student base, being more proactive about dealing with a lot of people. I don't know what it is, but they won't tell you what the problem is. They will just bail. They will just drop out the course, and then they're asked for a refund or something. Or if they're paying month to month, they just cancel it. And if you're more proactive in dealing with problems at a much earlier stage, you'll find that your retention will increase dramatically. It's another factor that I found a lot of people running a membership site, even those that are running a very profitable, if they think about it more and invest a bit more money in the process and hire somebody, they normally get an enormous improvement on their retention rates. I've written an article, you find it in the show note, where I've got over 20 of these tips and insights. I think you're going to find it really great. You find, like I say, you find the link in the show notes. If you found this video really helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. And if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments. I personally answer any questions that are placed in the videos, and I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.